Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indulge nilo no wakwe zone.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndibanye, namekelonu. I'm with ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chacom, aka the digital makeup artist, and you're tuned in for another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so let's give it up for Deandra. Give it up for Deandra. All right, cool. So thank you, Deandra, for sending in your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So Deandra described herself for me. One of the things that she said was some of the events surrounding her birth was that everyone in her family paid a lot of close attention to her mom when she was pregnant with her. Gave her like a lot of attention, a lot of love, a lot of support, whatever she wanted while she was pregnant, right? So her entire extended family showed her mom a whole lot of love, and her parents definitely planned to have her, and they made a lot of preparations for her, right? So I thought up of the perfect Igbo name for her. Obianuju. Come on, say that with me. Obianuju. Good. So you ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So, Obianuju. Obia, well, like bia means to come, right? So obia means like the coming or the arrival, right? And nuju is kind of like a, you know, that na, there's a na means is na, right? And that means in. And then uju means like full or plenty, right? And so when you have like two vowel sounds in Igbo, the A from na, right? And the U from uju, they kind of come together, right? And one of them goes away. So instead of saying na uju, you just say nuju, right? So na uju means in fullness or in plenty, right? So you put everything together, obia nuju means she arrived in the midst of plenty. She came when there was a whole lot of wealth, a lot of preparations. Basically, a child that was born in the midst of plenty. Their parents had a lot of preparations for them. Yeah, like parents had a lot of money and resources and access just to make their life, the child's life, very comfortable. Obianuju. So because of the circumstances surrounding their birth and the situation that they were just naturally born into, Obianuju's names give them the power to be refined, culturally aware, and they love to indulge in self-care. Tag and share this video with all the Obianujus that you know. Thanks. So, Obianuju, the nickname, the short version for that name was Uju. So Obianuju, or Uju, let me know, was that a fitting name for her? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. So like this video, share with all the Ujus or Obianujus that you know. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think about it. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Likes are free, so please hit the like button for me. I appreciate it a lot. All your support of this channel goes a really long way. Yeah, so if you like your very own Igbo name, hit me up in the comment section. I got my Instagram DM in the comment section and also in the credits at the end of this video, right? I'm gonna put all my social media on there, so feel free to hit me up on any of my social media. If you wanna learn more about Igbo, Nigerian culture, if you would like your own Igbo name, you just tell me a few things about yourself and I'll pick out the perfect Igbo name for you. If you are Igbo, I'll highlight your name on the next Igbo Name of the Day. Thanks, I appreciate it, you guys. Continue to subscribe and like and share this. It all helps the YouTube algorithm. I'd like for this channel to grow so that I can reach more people and let them know about Igbo Nigerian culture so that we can come back into contact with our roots, right? So thanks a lot, take care, and I will see you in the next video.